Hey everyone, today I'm giving you a closer look at the Motion Pro 5-in-1 damper rod bleed tool. Now this is designed for open cartridge forks. Now these forks are out of our Yamaha T7. We're changing out some fork oil, and to get it bled up, you need to pump the damping rod up and down several times. It's kind of hard to grab onto. That's where this comes into play. It just screws on to the end of the damping rod where your fork cap goes, and you've got 5 different sizes. The inside of this tool is stepped, so you can have multiple sizes. So one end, you've got M10 and M12 diameters with the 1.25 millimeter thread pitch. The other end, you've got M10, 12, and 14 millimeter diameters, and that's gonna be the 1.0 millimeter thread pitch. So with this, all you have to do is select the correct size, thread that onto your damping rod, and with this, once you fill it with oil, you're gonna wanna pump that up and down at least 10 times, and then let it settle, set the oil height, and then when you go to install your spring and fork cap, this can help you out there as well, because you can put the spring on, pull the damping rod up, and then hold that up into place while you install the fork cap. So that's your closer look at the Motion Pro 5-in-1 damper rod bleed tool. If you need one of these, you can find them on our website. Just click the link in the description below. We offer free shipping on orders over $75, so take advantage of that. And if you want to see more helpful content like this, whether it's how-to videos for your forks or anything else, go check those out on our YouTube channel and subscribe. I'm Charles with Rocky Mountain ATV MC. Thanks for watching.